Are you guys excited to try and, get into it or?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Do you like quite a lot of this?
I love everything on this table. This is what helps me run fast and travel the world and do what I love, which is obviously athletics, the 400 metres. So, I'm pretty happy with the spread today.
What are your normal routine foods before you go out on the track?
I reckon I'd usually start off with toast and peanut butter. That gives me a great amount of energy like we have here. And then, do you know what these are? No? So these are medjool dates stuffed with peanut. I love peanut butter, so but when I'm not having peanut butter, I'm trying out muesli with a bunch of fruit as well. Purely because sometimes you do get sick of having toast every morning, so I like to switch it up and, just give myself a new flavour.
What did you like when you were a kid, and how has it changed to what you like now?
I won't lie, I did like my lollies, I liked my chocolate. Mum only let us have it every Friday, but she also taught us the importance of, eating your veggies and your fruits to, give yourself enough energy to go out and play in the park, kick the footy with your friends and run. For me, I'm all about my dark leafy greens, so spinach, kale, we've got cucumber. I heard you guys like cucumber.
Yeah.
We've got mushrooms, that's another one, great for recovery.
After you take a run, and of course you're gonna feel a bit hungry,
Yeah.
What would you normally eat?
Do you guys like fruit smoothies? Yeah, I'm not the only one?
Yeah.
Come on, you like it. It's easier because then you're getting more nutrients in a drink. You don't have to sit there eating copious amounts of carrots when you can just blend it up and it's nice juice.
Yeah. What is your favourite vegetable?
I love celery because it's just so easy to eat. Snap on it. You can dip it in peanut butter, which we all love, right? Full of water and also full of all the nutrients that you need. So you're getting a component of like hydration and all the vitamins and minerals.
Water.
Yeah.
Speaking of water, how much water do you normally take a day?
Take a guess.
4.
A little bit more.
6.
6, yeah. So I have 6 big bottles of water at least a day. Do we know what hummus is?
I've heard of it before.
Yeah. Chickpeas mixed with a bunch of herbs and spices. You put it in a food processor and you've got your own dip. It takes 2 seconds to make. Again, full of protein, full of everything that you need to be big and strong and fast.
Let's say you just run a lap without eating vegetables before or after. Would it make a difference to how you feel when you run?
Because my training sessions go basically from about 10 a.m. in the morning until 6 p.m. at night, if I were to not eat, I would just be tired and depleted and I wouldn't get anything out of the session. Whereas if I'm fueling my body with the right foods, then I'm ready for the next session. I'm up, I'm feeling fast, I'm feeling strong because my body's actually, going through the process of taking it all in and getting myself prepared for the next session. And sometimes during training when I am, feeling a bit tired, I'll snack on nuts just for a little bit of a pick-me-up.
So everything that we see in front of us is fuel for running.
100%, it's fuel for life, guys, come on.
So Morgan Mitchell, if you had to give a piece of advice to upcoming runners, what would it be?
Definitely just to stick to your 1%ers. Eating healthy and sleeping well, really. That'll, get you across the line.
Welcome to the food bowl of Phenomenom College. We have 2 teams, fresh food and this stuff. These 2 teams are about to battle it out to see who can become the food champion.